Hi guys, welcome back to another video in my kitchen makeover series. This is video number 2, so I will pop the other ones down below, but I thought I would just share a little before of everything that has happened so far. So we've packed the kitchen up, the old kitchen has been taken out and gone to its new home, and we had a flat pack kitchen arrive from B&Q, which we are now putting together. And yeah, this is the journey so far, and this is the start of building the kitchen. And just like that, the kitchen has arrived. Look at all of this. I just said on my Instagram it literally looks like IKEA is in my kitchen. So this is going to be so much fun. This is going to be one hell of a project. So yeah, we've got, I'm assuming, kitchen cupboard doors, some of the cabinets, and the worktops are there. And then we've got a sink and tap here. So that's our tap, 2 sinks, one for the utilities. We've got the utility stuff here as well, guys, not just oh, I've just stood on something, not just the kitchen. We've got another tap here. I think that one is the utility tap. This one is our hot water tap. I don't know what is in here, little bits and bobs. I think you'll see is us building some of this, so let's just hope, fingers crossed, this goes well. So we've just opened to see one of the colour of the cupboard doors. This is the colour sandstone. It's actually matte, but this is shiny at the moment. But I'm so happy with the colour. I was so nervous about that because I thought, I don't know if it's going to be like the right colour, but it's like
perfect, isn't it?
It's like a greyish, yeah, so it's a grey,
slight
beige
contrast on the wall. It's lovely.
I'm so happy. What do you think? You like the colour?
I think it's going to be amazing.
So we thought we'd just show
really
you.
Nice.
Can't wait to get that. With a white worktop. Will's just unpacking some of the cupboards. We've gone for matte black, like appliances and taps and stuff. We also have the white sink, so I think it's going to tie in nicely. So yeah. So this is the end of day 1. So we have the dishwasher out and ready to be put in place. We just need to get the 2 side panels, which are here, I believe. We've also built the bottom of the sink unit. I actually forgot, I didn't order any handles because I didn't like the ones in B&Q. So I need to pick some handles, but yeah, we will do that ASAP. We've also cut the hole for the plug hole. Obviously the sink goes the other way round. And then we've built the unit that will go next to the sink and then the corner one. And this unit is for here next to the oven. But we couldn't put these units in yet because we need to shorten this plumbing work here, these pipes. So we're just gonna cut them. Well, Will, he knows how to do it. And he's got some new connectors and stuff, and then it'll be a bit more flush to the wall so that the cupboards can go back. Luckily this one, because that's quite tall, and the cupboard that goes under the sink is really short. Luckily this is in line with this one, which was such a blessing, because that could have caused us lots of problems. So yeah, that is how far we've got. My dad is coming tomorrow to help, so we'll probably get the cupboards on the walls up tomorrow, because we'll need a hand lifting those up. The lights that we actually ordered to go under the cupboards, because they're like these type of lights, the lights that we ordered don't go with these fittings. So we're going to have to get some more. So we've been to B&Q tonight. Obviously they don't have any of these type of lights. So we need to source them from somewhere else. And I'm guessing we'll probably build some more cabinets tomorrow, which will go around the bottom. But yeah, I think that is a good sort of 4 hours work, because it came around midday. So we did manage to get quite a few bits done, because actually once you do one of these, like, they're actually quite easy to put together. I mean, I didn't put them together, Will did, but he did say how easy they were once you'd done one, and they're really good quality. They're quite sturdy. Obviously they're on uneven ground at the moment, and we need to adjust the feet, but they are really like good quality pieces of wood and stuff, nice and thick. So yeah, that is day one done. I'm not sure how long this is going to take. I'm hoping to have the cupboards built and sort of some kind of layout by the end of the week. The worktop is actually not being fitted until not this weekend coming, the weekend after. And then the hob and the extractor aren't coming until the 20-something of April. So again, another couple of weeks, but once they come, they'll be able to go straight in, because the worktop would have already been cut. So we're probably aiming by the end of the month to have this complete. Hopefully we'll be able to use like the fridge and the oven and stuff, and we've got an air fryer now for the time being. Once this is obviously in and we're using the utility, so we should be able to function a lot better in the next week or so. But yeah, I will catch up with you tomorrow. So today is now Thursday. I haven't filmed anything yesterday because all of this was being put in, and it was just a lot of like plumbing work and cutting and everything like that to get this in. We think that this was the hardest bit to do, so hopefully now after yesterday everything will sort of go together nicely. So here we have the dishwasher, which is all done. That just has a little plug at the back, but Will is going to be taking this out today because we need to change the plug at the back, because it's only a 1 plug and we need a 2 plug, because under the sink here we have the hot water tap like filter and the machine that goes with it, so we need to plug that in. So Will's now gone out to get the bits for that so he can change that. My dad and Will did the plumbing yesterday as well, and the pipes at the back. So this is all now fully functioning. So that is my new sink. We obviously don't have the tap yet, because the tap will go in when the worktop goes on top. But how gorgeous is that sink? I love that so much. And then in here, which way does this open? I keep forgetting it opens this way, doesn't it? This is just another cupboard, but it does have some piping in because of how the pipes were at the back. So yeah, I'm probably going to use this as like a cleaning cupboard or something like that, but I've got quite a bit of space in there. So that cupboard is done, and then we had this little corner bit to work out and get in, which is all done as well, and then this cupboard also. And then on the back wall here, these are going to be drawers, and this one is going to be another one of these ones. And in between here, we've somehow got a cut. They gave us like a panel that looks like this, and that needs to be put in there. So we're going to figure that out today probably. And yeah, piece all this together. So then here we can start piecing this together. These are all of our worktops, so we also need to move them as well. But yeah, this is going well so far. So that is like the end of day 2, and obviously today is day 3. I think things are going smoothly right now, but yeah, we'll see again how we get on today. I think the top cupboards may be going on today as well. But yeah, really good progress so far. The only little hiccup we've sort of had is the plumbing at the back there, but I mean, it wasn't anything too much, and Will has managed to sort it. So yeah, we're looking like this. And I will let you know how we get on today. This is the end of the day, so I'll just talk you through what has happened today. So we decided, obviously, as I told you, to put in a double plug, but when we were putting that in, we accidentally went into one of the water pipes. So we had a little problem to fix there, but it's fixed now. And the dishwasher then can go back in, and the hot water tap can be plugged in as well, so that is all sorted. The sink and the cupboard, obviously that was already all done, and then we've had this cupboard put up as well, and we've had these built and measured and fitted to go in there, so we know where to put the next top cupboards, which have been built here. So today is now Saturday. This is what we did yesterday, so Friday. We had all of these cupboards built. We were obviously hoping to get the fridge in, but we did have an issue trying to get this to fit in, but we worked it out in the end. So we've obviously got the oven in now. And then this one is going to be the like pantry, and this one is going to be the fridge. So yeah, Will's just measuring up now because we need to have, like you see the little end panel, that needs to go on the end of there, and we've just got to adjust this drawer, that needs to be dropped down because when we open the oven it gets caught. So we're just doing those things, and then today we're going to obviously have the fridge put in, and probably these bits in here built. And then when are we going to have the shelves in there built, the drawers?
In here, here, we'll do that after I get them up.
Oh yeah, and we've also got to get the cupboards up there.
Them cupboards up there, then this is easy then.
And then we just put
that's
all
kind
that
of last
in.
thing, that, isn't it? After
yeah, because
building all the shelves in there. There's a lot of shelves in there that go in here for that pantry, and then the fridge just pops in, so it's fairly easy, that bit.
So then once we've done all of that, we can't really do too much more. We do need to pick some lights, don't we?
Yes, we need to pick some lights. Yeah.
We need to pick some lights, and then after we have done that, we then need to wait for the worktop to go in, which is going in a week today. So that'll probably be in a different video, but that is when the worktop will go in, the tap, and the hob and the extractor fan aren't coming until the 22nd. So the worktop will go in, and he is going to cut it because he's got a template, and then that will just be able to be put in. But we also need to have someone to fit that in because it's a gas hob. And then we will tile the wall, so we need to go and pick tiles as well. And then yeah, the floor, which obviously we're just cutting around at the moment because we need to leave a floor down, so it's like concrete under there. But yeah, we're gonna pick a floor, and then we can start putting everything back. We will use obviously the oven and the fridge in our temporary kitchen. Here's the reality. This is the dumping ground at the moment. But yeah, we'll sort of go in between both until we can obviously put everything back, and then start using the kitchen. It'll probably be at the end of the month. So yeah, that's really exciting. So that is another little update for Saturday morning, and I'll let you know what we do today, which is obviously going to be this. last update for now on the kitchen until we have the worktops put in, because we have done all that we can do at the moment, minus a few little tiny bits. So like you can see here with the fridge door and the pantry door, we need that just to be leveled out. And the oven, we've actually got a new one coming because this one arrived and it was damaged on there, so we've actually got a new one of those coming. But apart from that, all of the extra cupboards have been put up. Will's put the panels in either side, we've got the drawers in, and yeah, everything is ready now in here for the worktops. I just said to Will, actually we need to get on Amazon and have a look for some handles. I'm really unsure what to go with because I don't really know, like, because we have like matte plain doors, but then like a Belfast sink. A lot of people have shaker style with Belfast, but I really love this colour. So yeah, it's kind of a few styles rolled into one, and obviously we're going to have the matte black, and I originally did pick matte black handles. Don't know if you can remember, but I used to have those black handles in my old kitchen in my old house, and yeah, I did originally pick them, but I just don't know if they're gonna go in here. Like, I think it could look too much, so I don't know if I need to go for a smaller handle, because I'm debating now whether I should have got a silver hood up there, but I don't know, because I got matte black here, haven't I? I think it's going to tie in, but will black handles then be too much? Let me know what you think. But yeah, apart from that, tomorrow we're starting the utility, and yeah, I'll just update you guys along the way, and obviously I'll be doing a kitchen tour at the end. But yeah, I will end this video here. Please let me know what you think so far, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys!